Hello and welcome to this morning yoga flow. Today class is a full body practice to help you wake up and set your day. When you are ready, come into table tuck position. Your hands under shoulder, knee under hip, your spine neutral. And start to draw a circle with your upper body in clockwise to warm up your wrist and spine. Move forward, right, back, left. Feel the movement through your spine. We will switch. Slowly back to the center. Now we perform the cat and cow to warm up our spine. With your inhale, arch your spine, open your chest, look forward. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin to the chest, push the floor away. Move with your breath and feel the stretch in your spine. One more last time, inhale. Exhale. Slowly back to the center. Now extend your right leg back. Keep your toes on the mat and press through your toes. Rock your body gently forward and back. Feel the stretch in your calf. Focus on your breath. Slowly come back to tabletop. We will switch. Extend your left leg. Press through your toes. Rock your body gently forward and back. Feel the stretch in your calf. Slowly come back to the center. Walk your hands forward. Sink your chest down. Make sure your hip is over the knee. Rest your forehead and chin on the mat for puppy pose. Feel the stretch in your shoulder, arm, and opening through your chest. Stay here. Take a deep breath. Slowly come up to tabletop, tuck your toes, send your hips back and up for the downward facing dog. Relax your head between your arms. Lengthen your spine by pressing your hips back and start to pedal your leg one by one. Feel the stretch in your calf and hamstring. Now stop paddling, walk your feet to the top of the mat. Keep a soft bend in the knee. Grab your elbows and sway from side to side. Let your upper body hang. Release, lower your hands down. Step your left foot back. Your front knee 90-degree back heel lifted. Reach the arm up for the high lunge. Feel the stretch in your left hip. Stay here for one breath. Flat your back foot. Open your arms out for warrior two. Focus your gaze on front hand, middle finger. Keep your breath slow and steady. Now rest your right forearm on your right thigh. Reach the left arm over the head and feel a gentle side stretch in your left side of body. Stay here for one breath in. Breath out. Place your hands down on the mat. Step your right foot back. Come into plank pose. Now lower your knees, then chest and chin on the mat for Astanga Namaskar. Shift your body forward, lift your chest up for cobra. Stay here and feel a gentle compression in your spine and opening through your chest. Press through your hands, send your hips back to the downward facing. Walk your feet to the top of the mat. We will switch. Now step your right foot back, back heel lifted, front knee 90 degree, reach the arm up for high lunge and feel the stretch in your right hip. Stay here for one breath. Flat your back foot, open your arms into T shape for warrior two. Focus your gaze on front hand, middle finger. Stay here. Stay strong through your back leg. Now rest your left forearm on your left thigh, reach the right arm over the head and feel a gentle side stretch in right side of body. Stay here for one breath in, breath out. Now lower your hands down, step back to the downward facing dog. Stay here for one breath in, slow down your breath. With your inhale, lift your right leg up, bend your knee, open your hips. As you exhale, bring it forward behind your right elbow. Lower your chin, slide your back leg for pigeon pose. Option to stay here or you can walk your hands forward. Stay here in pigeon pose and feel a stretch in your hips and glute. Slow down your breath. Take a deep breath through the nose. Come up, we will switch, step the right foot back, coming into downward facing dog. With inhale, lift your left leg up, bend your knee, open your hips. As you exhale, bring it forward behind your left elbow, lower your chin, slide your right leg back. Option to stay here or you can walk your hands forward. Feel a deep stretch in your hips and glute. Slow down your breath. Breathe deeply. Slowly lift up, shift your weight to the left side and swing your back leg all the way forward and sit into comfortable cross-leg position. Now place your left hand behind you, right hand on your left knee. With inhale, lengthen your spine. As you exhale, twist your body, look over to your right shoulder and feel a stretch through your spine and shoulder. Stay here for one breath in, breath out. Slowly back to the center. Now place your left hand on right knee, right hand behind you. With inhale, lengthen your spine. As you exhale, twist your body, look over your right shoulder. Focus on your breath. Hold for one breath in, breath out. Slowly back to the center. Place your hands on your knee. Gently close your eyes. Sit tall. Bring your awareness to your breath. Relax your body. Take a slow deep inhale through the nose and fill up your lungs, and cleansing sign out from the mouth. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you enjoy the session. Take care. I will see you next time.